Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diva Nay, if you didn't know my name already. And for those who are new, I want to welcome you. For my returning subscribers, like, you know what's up. Today I am going to be trying out eyelash clusters. I have never put this on in my life before, so I know there's gonna be a lot of editing going on, but we're gonna try it together. These are the lashes that I'm going to be using, but if you're interested in this video, please stick around. I shall get into that. Hit the subscribe button, making sure all your notification bells are on, so when your girl pops up, you guys do not miss the video. Anyway guys, good hair. Anyway guys, let's get into this video. So guys, I have bought these lashes from TikTok shop. I don't know the pronunciation, JSIO or Jessio, I don't know, but we're just gonna call it Jessio for now. And this is a DIY lash extension kit. It's knot free, soft and lightweight, comfortable to wear. On the back, it shows you how to apply the lashes. So you have to have an eyelash curler, which I do not have. I don't curl my eyelashes because they're curly as it is. Then you have to place the glue and then you have to apply it underneath the lash. Like I said guys, never done this before. I have watched videos. It's easier said than done. Watching it is a different thing than, you know. So yeah. So guys, it comes with a tweezer. I guess that's for the lashes. It comes with the glue. So one end says bond and the other end says seal. It comes with lash remover. So I guess that's when you want to take off your lashes. I guess you put it on and it drops off. It's a cute box though. So here are all the lashes. I don't know what these mean. 30D, 40D, 50D, I don't know. But by looking at it, it seems that 30D seems more lighter, like wispier. 50D seems to be a bit more fuller, and 50D is more thicker than that one. You have the different lengths, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, but I'm gonna go for 30D because it looks more light, and yeah, I don't want it too long. So yes guys, let's go to this video. So guys, I am going to apply it on this eye. I don't know if you start with the inner or the outer. I don't really know. I think I'm going to start with the inner bit first. So guys, I have used 9, 10, 11 and 12. But yeah guys, I don't know how I'm meant to even do this. But we are doing it together. Like, we are doing it together, okay? Together. So, oh my god. Let me see, so they say put it under. Let's do our first attempt. Like, you see how I even stuck that, guys? I don't think that's even where it's meant to be stuck. Guys, what am I doing? Oh my god. God, let me try the other one. I think my positioning is so wrong. I'm guessing because it's small as well.
Some free cars. I know this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Or am I the sound sarcasm, by the way.
Not too bad. Guys, it's not as easy as it looks. So guys, like, this was my first attempt. I feel so uncomfortable finishing this off. I'm gonna come back when I finish the other eye. Oh god, one of them's come off. So guys, I am back. I did finish them off. I feel like the second eye was actually better. Maybe I got the gist of it. It's not actually twisted like how this one is twisted. It's okay. It was my first attempt. So guys, like, who needs lash text? Like, you've got this all at home. You do not need there. That was a quick video how to apply clusters on. I'm not a pro, but I feel like I'm a pro now because that eye is busting. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, like, share, comment and subscribe. Let me know what videos you want me to do next. I will feel free to do them. The lash actually came out all right. I'm actually proud of myself. Like, yeah guys. Anyway guys, got to love you and leave you. Good morning, good night, good evening, whenever you watch this, and I shall see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.